Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by Larkin Lane Creations. This is Elaine Larkin. A while back I did a video and showed you cabinet doors where I turned them into chalkboard trays. I showed you some message boards where it was the drawer and the door front in a frame that I had, done chalkboard on the front, cork on the inside, and galvanized steel on it. And man, those things are popular. But anyway, today I want to show you what you do with a boring cabinet door. This cabinet door, as you can see, in my opinion, would not make a very good chalkboard tray. There's nothing, no border to, you can put the handles on, but then everything's probably going to slide off with my luck. So, like I said, it doesn't have much pizzazz, but I tell you what I do. When I go to an art retreat, or sometimes I'll hang out with the scrapbooking ladies at a retreat, have you ever taken a rubber stamp and stamped it on a vinyl table? And you know it does not stamp well because there is not a hard surface. So I take this along so I have a hard surface to stamp on, or anything else that I might need to, have a smooth surface. They clean up pretty good, and this side is kind of my messy side. I've got my tape on it when I want to tape things down. And where I kind of got this idea was years and years and years ago. I have found this piece of, I think it was a sink cutout at the Habitat Restore. And I put a handle on the top to make it easy to carry. Now I love this, I'll never give it up. But it's kind of big and bulky to be carrying it all kinds of places. So that's where the little one comes in hand for me. If I don't, I'm not going to do any kind of big projects. So that's one of my little carry out little tips that I have. The other thing that I have is I like to take cartons from 6-packs. As you can see, this one's Coke and this one's cream soda. I have Pepsi ones. I have a couple that had wine bottles in them. And look how easy that is. You can put your markers in it and carry it. Now this one, I do have some dollar store cups that you get like 8 for $1 or something. I did do that in some of them. Others that I really have a lot, I have just taped along the bottom because this does separate, because it will fold flat. So anyway, this also is when I'm on the go. I like to carry those. So I hope you enjoy how I've upcycled these items and continue to use them. And please, if you get the chance, subscribe to my channel and come back and see me again. You can ring that little bell there down below the video, and it'll let you know when I've put up a new video. And also, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. You have a good day. Bye.